How to upload and install a plugin on WordPress on Windows with FTP. In this tutorial, I will show you every step to install a plugin on a WordPress site by uploading the files with FTP software. This tutorial is made especially for hosting accounts that have cPanel as hosting manager. But this will work with any system as long as you find the corresponding data. We will need first to make an FTP connection from our PC or laptop to the server. If you have not connected your computer to the server, please check the description of the video. I have explained every step and what is needed for the connection. In this tutorial, we will use an already created connection, so if you have not done this, put the video on pause and check the description of this video. A connection is required. Copy now on your computer the plugin you want to upload to your site. I have already downloaded the plugin. You will need to go to the folder where you downloaded the file. To transfer the files to the server, you will need to unzip the file. I will right-click the plugin zip file and click on Extract All. Now, click on Extract. Let's open the folder we just extracted. You need to have on this folder some PHP files. If you do not have this and have another archive, you will need to extract the file again. Some premium developers do this, so you will need to copy these files to the server. Now, let's connect to the hosting account with the FTP software. If you have not done that, put the video on pause and check the video that is in the description that explains all about FTP and how you can create the connection. Click Log In. After you are connected to the hosting account, click on folder public_HTML from the right. Open now folder WP-content. Open the folder Plugins. Now, on the left, go where the downloaded plugin folder is located. You will need to upload the folder completely. Do not upload the content of the folder on your plugins. This will mess up your folder structure. Select the root folder and click Upload. Click OK. Now, the plugin has been uploaded to the server. We will need to activate the plugin. Open the browser. So let's go into the administration panel for WordPress. Go to yourdomain/wp-admin. Log in with the admin and password. Go with the mouse over Plugins and click Installed Plugins. In this list, find the plugin name you just added on the server. If you do not find the plugin here, it means maybe you copied the files in the wrong path. I have here the plugin I added on FTP. Click Activate. Once installed, you need to click on the Activate Plugin link to start using the plugin. You would have to configure the settings to fit your need. These settings will vary for each plugin. Therefore, we will not be covering that in this video. You have now finished installing the plugin. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.